Hello, myself artist Partha Viswas. Today, I will tell you something which is interesting. For gifting something to someone, oil painting or charcoal drawing or this type of handmade painting is a very nice trend nowadays. This makes someone happy very easily. I will guide you in this video how you can place the order, portrait painting order from kalakari.in website. In homepage itself, you can see the available artworks. By clicking any of this image, you can go to that respective page. Let's assume you want something in charcoal. As you want charcoal drawing, you have clicked on the charcoal drawing and it will take you to this page where you can see all the available artwork till now done by us. And you can see all the beautiful artwork. And if you are sure that you want to go with charcoal drawing only, then you can directly go to home page and click on shop now area. One more thing to tell, in every page you can see the same available artwork, so you can switch in any available artwork and you can find how the other painting medium is looking like. So let's assume you want to go with charcoal drawing. In every page you can see this shop now button. After clicking this button, you will come here and see all available artwork, and the mentioned category is here: acrylic painting, charcoal portrait, pencil, color pencil, oil painting, pencil sketch, and watercolor painting. As we assume that we are going to place order for charcoal drawing, I am selecting this option. After clicking this button, it will take you to this page where you can find the place where you can add your details like the artwork size, character in photograph, and shipping type. So when you are confident with the number of quantity and amount, you need to click on add to cart button. After clicking this button, it will take you with a new option here on top of this page itself, which is view cart. Click on view cart. After clicking view cart, you can see the order quantity and price, which is mentioned here as well, the total price. When you are sure that quantity is 1 and price is the correct one, click on place order. For placing order, proceed to checkout. Click on this button. Then you will be coming to this page where you find a new area to place or to upload your photograph that you want us to paint. Click on this button to upload your file and reference images, and then come back to this page again. Fill your billing details where your artwork will be shipped. If you're placing order and deliver for India, you can simply get a free delivery by standard courier services. And if you want a international delivery, for that the delivery charges will be extra and it has to be paid by the customer, you. But we have worldwide delivery, so there is no problem at all. You can place order and you can get the delivery anywhere in the world. After filling up all your details, you see your total quantity, which is 1 here, and the total order value. If you're making a partial payment or remaining payment or something like a partial of it, a part of it, you have to select this option and then need to go to this manual payment methods and make the payment and click on place order. If you want to make a full payment, for that you can choose any of this payment method. If you are an international customer, I suggest you go with PayPal option only. Else, if you have any payment possibility with this, any of this available payment method, you can do that as well. Before clicking on this button, you have to hit this checkbox and then click on place order. After clicking on this button, you can see your order has been placed. And the confirmation email also will be sent by our backend team to you. And artwork progression also will be updated to you through WhatsApp or email. In case if you face any difficulty, then you can communicate with us using this WhatsApp icon or directly by this chat box. I hope this video was useful to you, and thank you for placing order to Kalaari.in. Mostly the user interface will be same like this only, but if there is any major change or major option here and there, that will be updated with a new video. The video you are watching here, that will be available on this area in shop page here. Have a nice day.